Ever wondered if you're doing enough to manage your finances? It's a question many of us ask ourselves. We face challenges like unexpected expenses, saving for the future, or simply stretching the monthly paycheck. These hurdles can seem daunting, yet they're not insurmountable. With the right tools, you can tackle them head-on. DIY home budgeting and financial planning tools are your allies in this journey. But fear not, as today we're introducing some of the best DIY home budgeting and financial planning tools available. Budgeting, a word that might seem daunting, but it's actually your secret weapon in the fight against financial stress. So, what exactly is DIY home budgeting? Simply put, it's a process of managing your money by yourself, right from the comfort of your home. It's a roadmap guiding you where your money should go, so you don't find yourself in a financial rut. Why is it important, you ask? Well, it allows you to make informed financial decisions, helping you save for your future, pay off debts, and live within your means. It brings clarity to your spending habits, and trust me, clarity breeds control. So, how do you create a home budget? First, identify your sources of income, know exactly how much is coming in. Next, list out all your expenses, everything from your daily coffee to your monthly rent, list it all. Then set financial goals. Are you saving for a vacation or perhaps a new car? Whatever it is, write it down. Lastly, track your progress. Monitor your spending and ensure you're on track to meet your goals. In this digital age, there are countless tools to help you with this process. From budgeting apps that sync with your bank account, to spreadsheets that you can customize to your liking. Just find what works for you. With these tools in hand, you'll be well equipped to take control of your financial future. Beyond budgeting, financial planning is your roadmap to achieving your financial goals. It's the master key that unlocks the door to financial freedom. But what exactly does this entail? Let's break it down. Financial planning is a four-step process. First, we must set clear, achievable financial goals. Whether it's saving for a rainy day, planning for retirement, or even starting a business, having a specific target gives you a sense of direction. Next, we create a plan. This involves laying out a strategy to reach our goals. It could be as simple as setting aside a certain amount each month, or as complex as investing in diverse portfolios. The third step is implementation. This is where the rubber meets the road. It's all about taking action, putting your plan into motion. Here, discipline and consistency are key. Finally, we monitor progress. This involves regularly checking how far you've come and making necessary adjustments to stay on course. It's like using a GPS for your financial journey. Now, you might be wondering, how can I do all this? This is where DIY financial planning tools come in. There are numerous applications and platforms today that offer financial calculators, budget trackers, and investment monitoring tools. These apps are designed to make financial planning less daunting and more accessible to everyone. These tools are your allies in the journey to financial freedom. They're not just tools, they're your financial compass, guiding you towards your destination of financial security and independence. So we've covered quite a bit today, but let's quickly revisit the main points. Firstly, we tackled those financial fears head-on. We acknowledged that money matters can be daunting, yet by understanding our income, expenses, and financial goals, we can transform those fears into manageable tasks. It's all about taking the first step and facing our financial reality with courage. Next, we delved into the power of do-it-yourself home budgeting. We discussed how creating a tailored budget allows us to track our spending, make informed financial decisions, and ultimately save more. Remember, a budget is not a constraint, but a liberating tool that helps us take control of our financial future. Then, we explored the world of financial planning tools. We saw how these instruments can simplify complex financial calculations, provide insights into our spending habits, and make it easier to set and achieve our financial goals. From budgeting apps to expense trackers and investment calculators, these tools can be a game changer in our journey towards financial freedom. So what does all of this mean for you? It means that you have the power to change your financial destiny. You have the knowledge, the tools, and the determination to create a bright financial future for yourself. Remember, managing your finances might seem intimidating, but with these tools and a bit of determination, you're more than capable of achieving financial success.